This is a 42-inch Alaska ceiling fan, and I found it actually on my way home from the post office today, in a box with a Hampton Bay grating out, sitting in someone's driveway. And the box has been there for like a couple weeks, so I figured, what the hell, I took it. The box was for a 42-inch Hampton Bay Landmark, by the way, so that's probably what replaced this fan. And this one works perfectly. It was missing the screws to hold on the blades. I am using screws off another fan that I have. I was missing the mounting bracket, but I had one that fit perfectly, so I used that. And was missing the shades. Obviously, those are not the original shades. And it works just fine. See, there's a light. And there's the fan on low. It starts on low. Goes low, medium, high. Like a Casablanca Delta 2. Low is pretty slow. I actually have two of these, and I have two gratings as well now. This one's in better condition overall, except for the blades were exposed to water while they were sitting out in that driveway, so they're kind of stained. But they're not warped or, puffed up or anything. So that's good. Just stained a bit. But yeah, I have one of these, and I installed it in my house in Willis. It didn't have a down rod, and it's got, some finish issues, but it's still a good fan. And I got that one at Habitat for $9.50. This one was free. This is, of course, medium. I don't know why anyone would replace this with a Landmark and when this works fine, because it's kind of the same look. 3 lamp turtle fitter, 42 inches. The only difference is it has 5 blades and it doesn't have gold bands, really. I mean, it's got vents and everything, but normal people don't really notice that kind of stuff. Obviously, as a fan collector, I'm not normal. Yeah, that's right, I said it. I'm not. And here's high. It runs very quiet. It's got no bearing noise of any sort or anything like that. So it's just dandy. And there's that. I'm not going to show it in reverse, it's just a waste of time, I've come to realize, since it's the same exact thing, except going the other way. There is my second 42-inch Alaska ceiling fan, and I hope you enjoyed.